feeding us pastries for breakfast, and we still had to pay full price to stay here? Like, come on.
May I ask where you're going now?
We're going to get something to eat.
Everything closed across the street. Everything closed. Gas station, shopping mall, everything closed.
So what are y'all doing for gas? You all knew this storm was coming, right? So you're going to give us bag lunches, bag breakfast, some pastries? That's so disrespectful.
I want to say this on behalf of all Jamaicans around the world. To all of you ungrateful, dirty, crosses, tourists, we have make all up a video and a complain about how we not get good service and how the staff have attitude and the food no good. Take on a bumper cloth and go home. Take your ass and go your yard. You hear me? Go on now. Melissa Ghan, you can go your yard. Please go home.
Jamaica, my heart goes out to you. We all know that we are facing hard times because of this Hurricane Melissa, and we keep on praying for you, for people who are in Jamaica. We keep on praying for you. So big up to everyone who's watching, guys. We love you, Jamaica, and we hope that you will stay safe and overcome. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about these tourists who have been, these guests who are in Jamaica, and they are complaining about the food and how they are treated, not knowing that they don't even think about what Jamaican is going through, and they are not considering the fact that Jamaican is facing the biggest among the big five, Hurricane Melissa. So guys, stay tuned, watch the videos, and to the new ones, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to the returning one, guys, God bless you. Thank you for your time. So guys, let's go through this video. I'll be back with some comment.
I am seeing all you raggedy, entitled, big back over there giving these people a hard time because you don't think that they have accommodated you to the best of their abilities in the middle of a Category 5 hurricane. They are not with their families. They are not with their loved ones. They are not at their home securing their things, making sure they're okay. They're at that resort because your entitled asses decided you was going to jet to holiday over there for a cheap ticket price in the middle of hurricane season, and you have a problem that they are feeding you pastries? And it's mostly us. It's so embarrassing.
So let me get this straight. Jamaica just experienced a Category 5 hurricane, and you got tourists who look like me that are not Jamaican over there complaining about room service, food, and getting flights out of there. Again, a Category 5, which is the highest rated hurricane that a place could have, and they over there talking about me. That is insane. What's wrong with y'all? Where's your compassion? Where's your ability to put yourself aside for just a moment?
And you see, when I'm going to leave, don't come back. I repeat, do not come back. Because I don't understand the level of insensitivity that you guys have. A Category 5 hurricane? You know how devastated some persons are? And the complaints from you guys, do not come back. Do not come back.
I don't want to hear one person get on this goddamn app and complain about their trip to Jamaica getting canceled or ruined or any of that nonsense. I get it. Believe me, I get it. You paid for this trip. You were looking forward to this trip. You powered through the worst days of work, excited to get to this vacation. I get it. But there are hundreds of thousands. There's 2.8 million. That's the population of Jamaica. There are hundreds of thousands of people who are about to go through the worst week of their goddamn life because a Category 5 hurricane is literally about to hit them. They are going to lose a lot of things. A lot of them are going to lose their house, their income, their food, their pets, possibly family members, possibly their own lives. Your trip to Jamaica is literally the least of their concerns right now. They don't care. You can go anywhere else. You're going to get a refund. So you can go anywhere else. But where are they going to go? What are they going to do?
Service isn't slavery. Sometimes people forget that hospitality doesn't mean servitude. I've been thinking about the videos I've been seeing with some tourists in Jamaica during Hurricane Melissa and how easy it is for people to lose empathy the moment that they step outside of their own reality. Like, how can you see staff working through fear, still showing up, still trying to make your stay comfortable as much as they can, while they're wondering if their home still has a roof, if their friends, their family, their children, their loved ones, their animals are okay, and people are complaining about the type of food they have to eat, as if that level of comfort is owed to them in the middle of chaos. And I think that's the danger of the "I paid for this" mentality. It replaces humanity with hierarchy. I think it comes down to the fact that sometimes we don't need more luxury, we need more compassion.
Guys, welcome back. I hope that you have watched the video and you have seen that the Jamaican or even other peoples are not happy because of those guests who are complaining about the food and how they are being served. You know, the guests they want to be served how they want, but they are not considering that Jamaicans are facing hard times. I would like to congratulate Jamaicans because they have stand still even though they are facing hard times. You know, Jamaicans are strong. They have stand still and they are doing a good job. I've seen that they are good people, and you can imagine that those Jamaicans, even though they are facing hard times, they have lived their families at least too. Some are serving those guests, and these guests are not considering that those Jamaicans serving them have lived their family at home during these hard times and have decided that they will help these guests, but these guests have shown the bad side. So guys, I want to thank Jamaica. Jamaican are very good people. I've seen some clips. Some volunteers are saving other people. Like during the heavy rain, you can see I have come across a certain video that Jamaican had saved someone who was drowning. So Jamaican, big up. We here out of the Caribbean here, we are praying for you that you be safe. And I remember in I think it was 1973, you had also a Hurricane Gilbert and you overcome it. So Jamaican, you are strong, and I believe that you will be safe. And I want to appreciate you because you are showing us that everything is possible. Nothing is impossible when you stay together and do as one. I've seen, even on my last video I've told you guys that I was worried because of the rain, but I've seen some memes and some kind of funny clips of how Jamaican are handling this Hurricane Melissa, and at least now I feel joy in my heart. So to my new people watching this video, guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are from Jamaica, you can leave your flag there at the comment, and we appreciate. You can say a word of prayer in the comment, and all will be well. So guys, for those guests, at least do appreciate Jamaican, because these Jamaican are going through hard times. You know, some have lost their properties, I've seen that some cars have been destroyed, some factories have lost. Like, many people now are jobless because of the big rain. So for those guests, please, on behalf of like other people who have come across those video of this guest complaining, I'd like to at least say that you at least have a good heart and wait for you can stay there, be patient, and when the Melissa has stopped, you will enjoy it, because I know Jamaica has good things and good qualities. The people there are good. You will get everything that you wished. I know many came with many wishes, but this rain, the guests are are feeling like they are not getting what they expected. So they can relax. At least when the rain goes, they can see Jamaica. I know Jamaica is very beautiful, the beaches, the climate, they can interact in their culture, they can see everything. So guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, interact to my comment. For the returning one, God bless you. I love you so much for supporting me. So guys, love you so much. One love.